logarithms. Woo!
Why would you say that?
Not really enough. Okay. This is really, really, really important information, all right? This is what a logarithm is. A logarithm is just another way of writing an exponential equation. So what I say with this is I say B, so what power is A? All right, that's how you say it. Don't worry, we'll do lots of practice with that idea, all right? B, so what power is A? You see that? B, so what? See how they're the same? Yes. Yes. All right. So let's do some problems. These ones aren't in your module, but they're worth writing down. All right, so you see I have 4. So what power is 64? It's the same thing, right? So what 4 to what power? 4 to the 3rd power is 64. So this is just another way of saying that 4 to the 3rd power is 64. Really weird, right? Oh, cool. So let's rewrite this one. We're going to say this is log base 5, and I say base 5, this is my base, right? And what is this? In an exponent, we also call this the base, right? That's all meaning for you, bro. Sorry. So log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2. Yeah, right? That says that 5 to the 2nd power is 25. They're interchangeable. All right. How are we going to write this one? This is log base 2 of 1/8 equals -3. It says that 2 to the -3rd power is 1/8, right? That makes sense, right? Because 2 to the -3rd power, we recall, is equal to 1 over 2 to the +3rd power, which is 1/8. It totally makes sense. All right. Let's do another one. Another one? Another one.
Another level.
So log base 1/6 of 1/4 is 1/2. Yeah. The other way?
1/16 and 1/4.
Okay, so the 1/16th is the base. So then we say that this is also our base, right?
Yeah, what about the 1/2? Oh.
So that 1/2 is right there. All right. Okay, so now let's go the other way. Let's take these logarithms and write them as exponents. So 4, this says 4 to the 4th power is equal to 256. See, I took my base and I put it there. And then my exponent went right there. And then it's always going to be equal to this guy. Okay. All right. 6 to the -2 power is equal to 136. Why does that make sense? Because 6 to the -2 power is the same thing as 1 over 6 squared, which is 136. Yay! do some more. So this says that 1/2 to the negative third power is equal to 8. That's true, right?
Yeah.
Moving right along. Now we're in your module.
Wait, go back.
Okay, so the first two are done. We're now going to evaluate logarithm. So we're going to do that what power thing, right? We're going to say it like this. So what did I say for number 1? I said 2 to what power is, 2 to what power is 8? Well, 2 to the third power is 8, right? This is saying, hey, 3 to the second power is 9. So what do we do this one? We say 6 to what power is 36? 2. There we go. We just evaluated our first logarithm. It's over now. Yeah, 2 to what power is 32? 5. 10 to what power is 1,000? 3. We're doing it. Look at us go. 42 to what power is 1? 0. Ooh, this one's interesting, huh? 100 to what power is 0.01? You're on the right track. You're even closer. Let's look at it like this. 0.01 is equal to 1 over 100. How can I write this as a negative exponent? So that's 100 to the negative 1 power. So that means that our answer is negative 1 because we're saying 100 to the negative 1 power is 0.0. Next one. Okay, so that's also another way of writing that. Okay, so 2 to what power is 1/4? Negative 2. Why? Because I could write 1/4 is the same thing as 1 over 2 squared. Right? Which is the same thing as 2 to the negative 2. So maybe that helps if you don't see that right away. You could rewrite this as log base 2 of 2 to the negative 2 equals what? So you're saying 2 to what power is going to give you 2 to the negative 2? Well, it's got to be negative 2, right? Okay, let's go backwards. Let's go the other way. Or no, we're going to keep doing it. All right. Except for now we're going to write an exponential statement. So I think it'll kind of drive it home a little more. Let's go. Hey, 2 to what power is 32? 5. So that means that I could write this, I could also say, hey, 2 to the 5th power is 32. These two equations are the same. They mean the same thing. All right, hey, 3 to what power is 81? Huh? 3. No, 4. 2. 3 to the second power is 9.
Oh, sorry.
4. So that's the same thing as saying 3 to the 4th power is 81. This one's 2, right? Because 9 to the second power is 81. Yeah. So, right, 9 squared equals 81 is another way to write that. Right. 5 to what power is 625? About 4, I think. So that's saying that 5 to the 4th power is 625. 10 to what power is 1 billion? Huh? 8, I think. Yeah. And I don't want to write all those zeros. So I'm not going to rewrite it. Yeah, you could write it as, no, sorry, 10 to the 8th power. 1,000 to what power is 1 billion? You can take it in your calculator. I think it's 3. Yep. You can also count zeros for that to figure it out. All right, hey, 13 to what power is 13? 1. 13 to what power is 1? 0. And this one is really weird. Log base 9. So 9. So what power is 27? Think about fractions. Huh? I know, I'll go back to it. It's in a different order than it is in your module. So hey, isn't 27 the square root of 9 cubed? Is it? Yeah, it's 3 to the square root of 9, right? So how would I write that as a rational exponent? Close. 1/3 is the cube root of 9. There's a 3 in there. So the square root cube. Almost there. Let's check it out. Yeah, the 3/2. So we can say that 27 is equal to 9 to the 3/2. Why? Let's work this thing. So that we can write it like this. This is 9, the square root of 9 cubed, right? Which is
No, thank you.
Sorry. So that means that the answer here would be 3/2. All right. Alrighty. 7 to what power is the square root of 7? 1/2, right?
What?
1/2, because what? Because the square root of 7 is 7 to the 1/2 power, right? Okay, then the square root of 7 to what power is 7? So this is what we've got to figure out, okay? You might want to take it over here and go, hey, the square root of 7 is equal to 7 to the 1/2, right? What power do we need to raise that to get just 7? Huh? 2, right? So if I put a 2 in there, that gives me 7 to the 2/2 when we multiply, which is 7. So the answer here is 2. All right, so then the square root of 7 to what power is 1/49? All right, let's write 1/49 as an exponent with 7 in it, okay? So that's 1 over 7 squared. That's the same thing as 7 to the negative 2 power, right? Okay. So I gotta think here. Let's go separate. The square root of 7, or 7 to the 1/2. What power do I need to raise that to get 7 to the negative 2 power? Negative 4. Right? If I multiply that out, negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. And hey, x to what power is x squared? It's it. It's a bucket question. We did it! Good job, guys.
Yeah.
No mercy in this dojo, guys.
They just